Struggling with blackheads, acne, and uneven skin? Let me show you how the 4-in-1 Multifunctional Beauty Pore Vacuum can transform your skincare routine. Let's take a look at what comes inside your 4-in-1 Multifunctional Beauty Pore Vacuum. First, we have the sleek ergonomic pore vacuum device. It comes in two stylish colors, white and champagne. You'll find an easy-to-follow instruction manual. You'll also find 4 interchangeable suction heads for different skin needs and the necessary USB charging cable. Everything you need for a deep spa-like facial treatment in the comfort of your home. This powerful beauty tool features adjustable suction and 4 functions in one compact design, perfect for deep cleaning and rejuvenating your skin. Start by opening your pores using the built-in warm towel or facial steamer option. This allows for a deep and painless clean without harsh scrubbing. The vacuum uses gentle but effective suction to remove blackheads, dirt, dead skin cells, and other impurities from your pores. It's safe and easy to use, giving you professional-grade results at home. Not only does it clean your pores, but it also helps to tighten and smooth your skin, leaving you with a soft, glowing complexion. With adjustable suction strength, you can customize the treatment for your skin's needs. It's perfect for tackling problem areas like the nose, chin, and forehead. Why wait for spa appointments? Get clearer, smoother skin right at home with the 4-in-1 Multifunctional Beauty Pore Vacuum. Click the link below to grab yours today.